Welcome to the vibrant city of Toronto, a bustling metropolis that offers a rich tapestry of experiences just waiting to be explored. Today, we'll guide you through a curated selection of must-see attractions and activities that will ensure your visit to this Canadian gem is nothing short of extraordinary. Our journey begins at the iconic CN Tower, a symbol of Toronto's skyline. Standing at over 550 meters, this architectural marvel offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and beyond. For those with a flair for adventure, the Edge Walk provides the thrilling experience of walking along the outer rim of the tower, securely harnessed, with nothing but air between you and the bustling streets below. Next, let's immerse ourselves in the cultural heart of Toronto, the Royal Ontario Museum. As one of the largest museums in North America, it houses a staggering collection of over 6 million artifacts, ranging from ancient Egyptian scrolls to contemporary art. The museum's striking architecture, known as the Michael Lee Chin Crystal, is itself a work of art, promising an informative and aesthetically pleasing visit. As we continue our exploration, the historic Distillery District is a must-see. A pedestrian-only village, this area is renowned for its beautifully preserved Victorian industrial architecture. Visitors can leisurely stroll through cobblestone streets lined with art galleries, boutiques, and chic cafes. Be sure to indulge in a local delicacy, Toronto's own butter tart, a sweet treat you'll find hard to resist. For a breath of fresh air, head to the Toronto Islands, a serene escape just a short ferry ride from the city's bustling core. With its stunning parks, sandy beaches, and winding bike paths, the islands offer a perfect respite from urban life. Rent a bicycle, paddle a kayak, or simply relax while enjoying a picnic, all with the breathtaking city skyline serving as your backdrop. Now let's delve into the world of biodiversity at the Ripley's Aquarium of Canada, located conveniently near the CN Tower. This aquatic wonderland boasts over 20,000 marine animals, featuring mesmerizing jellyfish displays and a moving walkway through a shark tunnel. It's an educational and visually enchanting experience for visitors of all ages. No visit to Toronto would be complete without a culinary adventure in Kensington Market. This eclectic neighborhood is a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. Wander through vibrant streets, sample international delicacies, and explore numerous vintage shops and colorful street art. It's a feast for the senses and a testament to Toronto's diversity and creativity. As our tour draws to a close, lose yourself in the rhythm of the city's entertainment scene at the Entertainment District. Whether it's catching a Broadway show at the Princess of Wales Theatre, enjoying live music performances, or exploring the nightlife, this area pulsates with energy and excitement. In conclusion, Toronto is a city that captivates with its rich history, diverse culture, and boundless opportunities for adventure. From the heights of the CN Tower to the tranquil beauty of the Toronto Islands, every corner of this city has something unique to offer. We hope you have been inspired to visit and explore Toronto's many wonders, creating unforgettable memories along the way. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy travels.